Okay guys, here it is. This is the house panoramic view. This is the whole house. It is about 10 minutes drive. The road is really different. You definitely need a jeep to come here. The yard is not fenced there, but I guess we could close it off in one way. The other way, not fenced. This is solar panels. Underneath there you got the steps going with basically under the pool area. It's covered but not enclosed. Pool, heated water through solar. Basically you come down there, you park your car, step down. It's a beautiful house, very nice furniture, brand new, never rented out. This is one bedroom or one area. You can pull the bunk beds, whatever. You can put a bed here, whatever you want. All the bedrooms are AC. You got your shower, your bathroom. That's me right there. The house is owned by British couple. That's the stadium right there. Yeah. It's, as I say, very nicely done. This one can be like Donovan's bedroom if he wants to. If he wants to live at pool level, it can be also an artist room. So this is on pool level. Then if you would go around the corner here, you have basically where they keep the grill, storage. Plenty of storage here. They got brand new umbrellas there, the cushions for the sofas, lounges, and in there they have some ACs working. All the bedrooms has ACs except I think this one here. Yeah, it just rained, but this is basically the view that you have. This is mountainous, but unique. This is the view. Right, and there's a stadium. When we came in, there was security at the gate. Nobody comes in. There is a sales office. There's about 5 houses completed in this area. Yeah. That's the road coming down or the slope. You can back up your car, park there. Again, the view. This is the main entrance of the house. Here you have a side entrance if you would like. There's washer, dryer, you name it. Completely with I guess when you do shopping you end up straight in the kitchen from here. That would be the steps. Alarm installation, completely new. Gas, AC in all the bedrooms. You name it. Let me double check. This is the entrance. Oi. I think this gives a good impression like this. Yeah. So here you have basically a toilet, hand sink, washer dryer. Yeah, so this can be used if you have a little area, dining room area. The kitchen with all the appliances, gas. It's 120 and 110, so well, sorry, 220 and 110. Double sink here. Again, here you look to the front. Cabinets, oven, fridge, storage. Here you have the sitting room, the living room area. It's not super big, but compact and I think well done. Ceiling fans in here, no AC. Then you have a terrace right here. Is this door locked? Oh no. Just give it a.
Should I unlock it?
Sorry. Yes, please. Here you get basically built-in screens. Oh, thank you.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, I locked that. I think I locked this one.
No, this is... What do we do?
No, it's locked here.
That's locked though.
Yeah, it's I think it's just hooking.
Okay.
So here you have living room. You can open up. You have the screens coming out as such, so you don't have the problem. And again, here you have the top view. You get your table right here, and then again you have this view, like so. Right there in the far in the back you see the hump. That's where Sandals is. Looking down again the pool deck, and then the garden. There is where you see it's not enclosed. There's enclosed that goes straight, and there it's open. Here you have a bedroom and another little balcony. That's the master bedroom. Here you have, remember from the outside I showed, you come from the car park here. There's some storage. Alarm installation, steps. Here you get a bedroom. It can be Donovan's or whatever. So this is bedroom number 2. Underneath you had 1. This is bath. Boom. So ensuite, how they call it. Very nicely done. Beautiful floors. Okay. And here you have your little balcony with your table and your view. Beautiful. And again, you have the screen coming out. So built-in rollout screen. See? Very nice. So you can have it open. All the windows are screened. Right? So again, very nice. Again, the living room, bedroom, living room. Here we go up, hallway, high, nice with the arch. Here you have 1, 2, 3 bedrooms. So 1, 2, 3. Down the steps 4, all the way down number 5 bedroom. So here, see on the top of the building. This is outside where you come the car down that way. This is the road coming. It has been raining a lot, so it's a lot of mud. Artwork, the lamps, it's done beautifully. Here you have basically shower, boom, boom, all the needed stuff. Boom. Then here, this is rather the bunk bedroom. See, love, AC, fan, like that. Storage or closet, yeah, what you need. All the little pillows with the hearts and everything. You have here your sitting place. I'm showing underneath there the storage. This is the view again. 2 beds. Yeah, underneath there is a 3rd bed you can pull out. Right? Probably it will pop up, make a double. With a step up. Windows can open, and again this is the view you will have. Right at the pool. The house is very beautiful, guys. No doubt it's in budget. It's just if you guys are willing to drive every night. And this is Jeep territory. Okay, so that's. Here you got another bedroom. Remember, these bedrooms, they share the shower or the yeah. This bedroom, closet, AC, fan, and again the view right here. Yeah, there you see a balcony, which is from the master bedroom. Again, very nice done. There's no desk in here or anything. And you get to step up, go a little bit higher up. Master bedroom. Boom. Ceiling, beautiful. Very nice. All the closets, no walk-in closet. You have here a little office space, which is nice, so you can do your stuff here. Here you got a mirror. Boom, boom, boom. Beautiful. Fan. AC right there. Right here, what you have is this situation. Right. Right. So you got your balcony, and then you have the top view of the island. There you go. This is what you will wake up to, and this is what you will go to bed to. View. Right. Everything is brand new. Again, here you have the rollouts, windows, the mirror. You have also what you have. I think not in all the rooms, but in the master bedroom you got boom, activate your alarm from right here, and of course you have your bath, right? Shower, rain shower style, laundry basket, neighbors right there. Everything is thought of. It's a well thought of house. Right. Beautiful. Now, what I'm gonna do